derive expression for magnetic field in toroid. Derive expression for magnetic field in toroid. Now what is toroid? Have you seen donut? Yes, do you know what is donut?
Yes, sir.
The toroid is donut shaped mm, one minute. एक सेकंड ना एक सेकंड तो क्या रहता है टोराइड बताता हूँ सी सोलोनॉइड was cylindrical shape. This is ring shape or donut shape, hollow metal, inside nothing is there, so it is donut shaped iron metal wounded by iron donut shaped iron core on which coil is wounded as shown in the figure. So this is toroid. I am just showing this. From here the wire will start and then there will be turns on this. Current will enter from one end and leave from another. So consists of this winding of the coil. Coil is wounded on this like this on the body. So current enters, it is wounded like this. Current I enters and leaves from here. Toroid consists of donut shaped circular tube like structure on which we have coil wounded. अभी इसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन देखते हैं इधर से करंट आएगा और फिर बाहर आएगा ना ऐसा दैट मींस इट इज गोइंग एंड कमिंग बैक सी गोइंग एंड कमिंग बैक सो व्हेन आई सी फ्रॉम टॉप तो ऐसा बाहर निकलने वाला है तो इधर सब आपको डॉट डॉट दिखने वाला है सब डॉट डॉट एंड इधर से अंदर जाएगा मतलब क्रॉस क्रॉस ये समझा सबको
Yes, sir.
इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ donut shaped iron core on which coil is wounded on its circumference. The current comes outward from upper side and goes inside from lower end as shown in figure B. Now magnetic field. What is direction of magnetic field? Given by which rule? Yes, magnetic field is right hand thumb
Right
rule.
hand thumb rule.
So imagine right hand thumb rule for this toroid. Upper side से current is entering and lower side से it is upper side से coming and lower side से it is entering back. So what will be the direction of field in the region, circular region? Direction of field in circular region, just check what it will be. मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है, if I'm putting the finger, तो उधर से बाहर आ रहा है फिर नीचे. हेलो हेलो,
यस सर,
मतलब आपका जो ये थंब है ना वो बाहर की तरफ आएगा ना, ऐसा कमिंग आउटवर्ड. दिख रहा है? मुझे तो लग रहा है थंब आउटवर्ड आ रहा है. दिख रहा है? मतलब आपको नहीं दिख रहा है? एक पेन पकड़ो, हॉरिजॉन्टल पकड़ा, थंब बाहर
Yes.
दिखाओ, थंब बाहर दिखाओ. तो आपका कर्ल्ड फिंगर ऊपर जा रहा है क्या? मतलब पूरा पाम ऊपर जा रहा है.
यस सर।
अभी
Yes,
ऊपर
sir.
से टर्न मारेंगे तो क्या होएगा? ये मुझे लेफ्ट 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 साइड जाके सीधा बाहर निकल रहा है ना, मतलब ऐसा निकलता हुआ दिख रहा है मुझे, ऐसा आके ऐसा बाहर निकल रहा है, ऐसा फील्ड होगा ना, ये फील्ड होने वाला है ना, बराबर. This
Yes,
will be the
sir.
direction of field. This will be the direction of field. Okay? Hello?
yes sir,
Just draw this 3 diagram. This is the field in circle, ऐसा जाके आएगा. So with center O, radius R, we are drawing Empyrean loop. Empyrean loop is drawn. Center O, radius R. 3 diagrams draw to make it easy understanding. All the 3 diagram done?
Done, sir.
Okay. तो एकदम सिंपल डेरिवेशन है इसका. A toroid is like donut shaped circular iron frame. डोनट, DOG आता है ना डोनट में. So toroid is donut shaped circular iron frame on which coil is wounded along its circumference. Donut shape. coil is wounded along its circumference. As shown in figure A. The current through the coil is as shown in figure B. The magnetic field lines are concentric circles in the toroid. Let n be the number of turns of coil and I be current flowing through coil. Draw an Amperian loop. Okay, this much completed.
Yes.
Draw an Amperian loop with center O, radius R. Therefore, by Ampere's circuital law, line integral of B bar dot dl bar is mu naught time current enclosed. Current enclosed will be Ni because one turn carries I and turn will have Ni. This is B dl cos 0 because field is concentric circle. dl is also in the same direction, equals to mu naught Ni. So B integral of dl equal to mu naught Ni. Integral of dl is nothing but 2 pi r, which is circumference of Amperian loop. Circumference. So we get B into 2 pi r is mu naught Ni. So B is mu naught Ni upon 2 pi r. Let number of turns upon circumference be denoted by N. So B equals to mu naught Ni. Solenoid also same formula I derived, but there N was number of turns upon length of that cylinder. Here length is circumference of that donut shaped circular frame. Copy. Yes, completed.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we have completed entire section of Bart-Saward's law. First we did what is Oersted experiment, right hand thumb rule, Bart-Saward's law, circular coil, center, axis, long straight conductor, then semi-infinite, finite, Ampere-Circuital law. By Ampere-Circuital law, 3 applications. Next one, magnetic force. New part. This one is second part now. Magnetic force. What is electric force acting on charge Q placed in electric field E? Yes? Any of you remember? Electric force acting on charge Q placed in field E? Aman? Yes, anybody is remembering? What is electric force acting on charge Q placed in electric field E?
KQ by R square.
हाँ? ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला बोला? KQ
Wait,
by R.
K
Sir, Lorentz.
Pardon?
Lorentz.
I don't know Lorentz force. So far I have not studied. Don't tell anything blindly. That means you are getting the mark only by hearting, not by understanding. Electrical force is QE. कोई बोल रहा है KQ upon R square. KQ upon R square is electric field, not force. So sit properly in the lecture. Keep your eyes, mind, everything 100% open. See, mark is not criteria to judge the knowledge of the student. मार्क्स तो रट के भी आ सकता है. मुझे लग रहा है अभी रट के आ रहा है. फिर इतना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक कराने के बाद भी इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स पूछा तो कोई लॉरेंस फोर्स बोल रहा है, क्योंकि उसका क्लास में हो गया रहेगा शायद कुछ तो, और मालूम तो है नहीं व्हाट इज लॉरेंस फोर्स. ऐसे ही फेंक दिया लॉरेंस फोर्स. आई एम टॉकिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स. पर्सन इज टेलिंग लॉरेंस फोर्स. इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स इज कॉल्ड कूलम्स फोर्स. Aditya, here you said this.
No, sir, I did.
Who said Lorentz force?
I
Sir, correct.
Pardon? Who said Lorentz force?
Sir, I did.
No, I cannot hear. Say properly.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, Karan.
करण गोरा और करण गोयल.
Sir, Vora.
अच्छा ठीक है. गोरा को लॉरेंस फोर्स किधर से सुना हुआ? करण लॉरेंस फोर्स है एक चीज.
Sir, I got confused.
नहीं मतलब देखो अच्छी बात है ये. आपने लॉरेंस फोर्स यू हैव हर्ड, दैट इज नॉट बैड, बट व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली लॉरेंस फोर्स यू आर कंफ्यूज.
Sir, from the 10th standard, no?
अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ 10th में था. वेरी गुड. यस, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन में था आपको. EMI. वेरी गुड. यस, आई थॉट 11th 12th का आपने पहले किधर पढ़ा था. ठीक है. लॉरेंस फोर्स नहीं है. इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स इज QE. No, because we have studied na force acting per unit charge is electric field. Therefore, F is QE. Are the things jumbling in your mind? This you followed na? Electrical force QE.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है. अभी देखो, पर हम लोग को कौन सा फोर्स चाहिए? मैग्नेटिक फोर्स ना. Current.
Yes.
Sum of electric force and magnetic force is called Lorentz force. Huh? Hello, Current.
Yes, sir.
Sum of electric force and magnetic force together is called Lorentz force. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, see what is magnetic force. The magnetic force on an electron electron with charge minus E moving with velocity v bar in magnetic field B bar is given by F bar equals to minus E V bar cross B bar. This derivation you don't have, only have to remember formula. Minus E V bar cross B bar. For charge Q, the magnetic force, comma, F bar will be Q V bar cross B bar. So formula for magnetic force is Q into V bar cross B bar. Everybody is followed? Magnetic force followed? It is given by formula Q V bar cross V bar. If it is electron, then electron ka charge is minus E. Please write. One sum guaranteedly you are going to get in entrance. In 12th they may not ask. Done? Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
So what is magnetic force formula? Q into V bar cross V bar. If both electric field E bar and magnetic field B bar are present, then net force on charge Q moving with velocity v bar is given by f bar equals to q e bar plus q into v bar cross b bar, which is nothing but electrical plus magnetic force का vector sum. This force is known as Lorentz force. Now current clear? What is Lorentz force?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, copy. Next time onwards, can I put the mark of all the students on the group so that you check where you stand? If you don't get demotivated, is it okay if I put all together mark? Hello?
Fine, sir.
See, don't get demotivated. So with that you get idea कि किससे कितना कम है. But because of that, because everybody's performance is good, it has to be good, better, best. Last time 3 student को मिला है 180. I'm very happy everybody is on the improvement task. Graph is increasing. Mohit and Swaraj.
Yes, sir.
Mohit, please put effort. Again, I'm telling you are not putting the effort. Yesterday you were absent. In doubt solving session you were there? No, no?
No, sir.
That means you don't have any doubt. So you have to be very much killing spirit you should have. Now this lethargic approach, please. Nija, you were there last lecture. Nija,
Yes, sir.
you were also absent.
Yes, I was not well. I slept early.
So you didn't send message. Someday if I don't send the message and I don't take lecture, how will you feel? You will feel happy क्या lecture ने आज मजा. But generally बोलेंगे अरे सर मैसेज नहीं दिया, क्या हम लोग का इतना प्रोग्राम था, सब कैंसिल किया आपका लेक्चर के लिए. On the contrary, you are happy. I'm telling wrong. You might be upset because you plan your day, and all of a sudden, if something gets cancelled, you get disturbed. So please feel that other people will also get disturbed if somebody is absent. Informed, yes. Now one child, Aryan Udwane, he is not keeping well. But today morning also he informed, yesterday night also he had informed. Mohit, you have to put effort, huh, Mohit? 3 students have put drastic effort. They have to put Mohit, Swaraj, then Rajvardhan. Otherwise, there is no chance why you are getting less. This is only because you are not practicing. Rajvardhan, you can hear me? Rajvardhan,
Yes,
you can.
sir.
How many hours you are practicing physics?
Sir, 2 hours.
2 hours physics you have practiced. My goodness.
Yes, sir.
No, that is not reflected in your result here. See, Aditya Iyer is not getting time. Otherwise, वो तोड़फोड़ करेगा. बराबर ना आदित्य?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि किधर आपको टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. आज जरा हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, टाइम खींचेंगे किधर से निकल सकते हैं. और आप लेक्चर अटेंड करो, बाद में आपको मिलते हैं हम लोग. बिकॉज पर्सनली आई फील कि आप इंटेलिजेंट है लेकिन वो मार्क नहीं आ रहा है. मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम फैक्टर. If not time factor, then your approach may be wrong. That we have to sort it out.
Oh, sir.
Completed? So this force is called Lorentz force.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is Lorentz force then? It is sum of which two forces?
The electric and magnetic force.
Electric
Very
and
good.
magnetic.
Electrical and magnetic. Correct. Now, some conclusion, continuation है ये. First conclusion. If the velocity v bar of a charged particle, if velocity v bar of a charged particle is parallel to the magnetic field v bar, then what will be magnetic force? Ane, can you say? If v is parallel to b, then what will be magnetic force? Yes, Karan? Either of Karan?
So 0.
Yes, 0. Because q, v, b sin theta will be that vector product का magnitude. If v and b are parallel, दोनों का बीच का angle 0, sin 0 is 0. So this will be 0 if the velocity is parallel. Second point. This they can ask you in 12th standard MCQ. Velocity of charged particle is parallel to the field. What is magnetic force? QVB 0. Maximum ऐसा कुछ कुछ दे देंगे. If charged particle is stationary, that means that V bar equal to 0. Then what is magnetic force? Can I say 0? Yes. If charge is stationary, that means V is 0. Can I say magnetic force is 0?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, write these 2 points. Nija, you have to shift your paradigm of hard work, because you are stuck at 140, 150. Remove that hurdle and try to now start scoring 150. Jasmita has overturned everybody. एकदम जबरदस्त पढ़ाई है. Jasmita, thank you for working hard.
Thank you, sir.
Consistent performance is now 6-7 student. In fact, almost everybody, but एकदम consistent. Avan, Isha, Neha, Pranjali, Jasmita. Anna and Karan are consistent in 120 and 140 का range में. Karan Goel थोड़ा consistent नहीं है Karan आप. Mohit is not taking any exam seriously. Mohit. Swaraj, happy go lucky. Swaraj, are you back or you are out of town now?
Sir, I'm out of town.
Where you are now? In your native place?
Yes, sir.
किधर है आपका native?
Pune.
अरे पुणे तो मुंबई जैसा ही यार, क्या native? Pune and Mumbai are brother sisters. So you are close by. Pune where? Close to Mahabaleshwar?
No, sir.
Proper Pune?
A little on the outskirts, I guess.
But climatic condition is too good, I think, at Pune now.
Yes, sir.
So you are enjoying the weather. enjoy. When you are returning back?
This Friday.
अच्छा, Sunday का टेस्ट लिखो फिर.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Can I clear this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since F bar is Q into V bar cross B bar. Nandini, you can hear?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is direction of force F? Direction of force F?
Sir, I didn't got your question.
Question is what is direction of force? This is the simple question. Aman, any highlight? Aman, what is direction of force? Vector related है अभी
हाँ सर
सोच रहे हैं चलो प्रांजलि हितार्थ वैभव कथन what is direction of force? I want answer from you all. What is direction of force? As per the vector, because vector
perpendicular to the plane.
pardon? Yes, say
Perpendicular to the plane.
correct. Perpendicular to the plane containing two vector. Absolutely right. मतलब ये V bar and B bar, suppose they are in horizontal plane, then this will be perpendicular to both.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget anything. Everything will be connected. So F bar is Q bar, Q into V bar cross B bar. Therefore, it is perpendicular to the plane containing F and B. So I can say thus vector V bar and F bar are always perpendicular to each other. Are always perpendicular to each other. If two vectors are perpendicular, then what will be dot product?
0.
0. That means F bar dot V bar is always 0 for any magnetic field. Whatever may be the magnetic field, that but dot product of F and V will be always 0 for any magnetic field. चलो इतना लिखो फिर एक पैराग्राफ और समझाने के. Copy. Below that only copy है magnetic force का heading पे. V bar F bar are perpendicular to each other, hence dot product is 0 for any magnetic force. Hello? Yeah. नहीं मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं कोई चीज. It's completed.
Yes, sir.
अभी जरा ध्यान से सुनो क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा हूँ दोस्तों. F bar dot V bar is 0. That means they are perpendicular to each other. Can you tell me displacement का direction किधर रहता है? इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेलोसिटी चाहिए। वेलोसिटी का डायरेक्शन में है, क्या वेलोसिटी का उल्टा है, क्या किधर भी रह सकता है? यस, displacement and velocity, they are in same direction or different direction, or we cannot predict anything?
In direction.
Same direction, because velocity is rate of change of displacement है ना, तो दोनों का direction same होता है, correct?
Yes.
So if F and V are perpendicular, then can I say F and displacement are also perpendicular?
Yes, sir.
What is work done then by force?
First.
Zero, because work done if force and displacement are perpendicular is what? Zero.
Dot product.
Dot product zero. So can I
Yes.
write further continuation में भी सब कुछ? So we wrote F bar dot V bar is zero for any magnetic field. Magnetic उसका आगे ही लिखना है अपने को. Magnetic force is thus, सब MCQ के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्डिंग सही है. Magnetic force is thus perpendicular to the displacement. Hence, magnetic force never does any work on moving charge. Magnetic force never does any work on moving charge. Thus, magnetic force may change the direction of motion. Magnetic force may change the direction of motion of a charged particle, but they can never change the speed or affect the speed. अभी आप जरा ध्यान से दिमाग लगाएंगे. So if this is F acting on x axis, V is acting on y axis, then magnetic field will act on z axis, correct na? Because they are perpendicular to each other, x, y, z. Hello?
Yes.
This is B, this is V, this is F. तो ये ऐसा मोशन करेगा ना अपना चार्ज पार्टिकल. So whenever charge particle enters magnetic field, it will always perform circular motion. This you have to remember. Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Please copy this much and draw diagram. Once you are done, then tell me.
Done.
Okay. What is SI unit of magnetic field? What is SI unit of magnetic field? Very good. Tesla is correct. Or
Tesla.
Weber per meter square is also one unit. But now we got F equals to QVB. V bar cross V bar. In terms of that, see how we can write. F bar is Q. I can say magnitude of V bar cross V bar into N cap. That means it is perpendicular to the plane containing both. And magnitude is V bar cross V bar ka magnitude. This is same as Q VB sine QVB sine theta into N cap, where theta is angle between V bar and B bar, and N cap is unit vector in the direction of force. Okay, just copy this much. एक line और. Thus, if F thus if force of 1 Newton is acting on charge of 1 coulomb moving with speed of 1 meter per second perpendicular, moving with speed of 1 meter per second perpendicular to B bar, then B equals to F upon QV. Therefore, unit of B is Newton upon Coulomb. This is meter per second. So Newton second, Coulomb meter is also the unit. Please copy this much. They can ask you state unit in terms of force and velocity unit. So Newton second, Coulomb upon Coulomb meter. Written till this?
Yes, sir.
Below that, write down this SI unit is called as Tesla. This SI unit is called as Tesla. This SI unit is called as Tesla, right T. What will be dimension of B then? Is it F upon QV ka dimension? That will become M1, L1, T minus 2, A1, T1, L1, T minus 1. So finally it will become M1, L0, T minus 2, A minus 1. M1, L0, T minus 2, A minus 1. Shall I clear? Yes, can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please stick to the homework properly. Note. 1 Tesla is also called 10 raised to 4 Gauss. Cyclotron motion. Cyclotron motion. अभी cyclone देखो ऐसा ऐसा आता है ना, ऐसा ऐसा. So if it is circular motion with varying speed, उसको generally नाम देते हैं cyclotron motion. Tron is related to charges, electron, proton. So cyclotron नाम हो गया. Whenever charge enters in magnetic field perpendicular to magnetic field, then it will perform which motion? Circular motion or any motion? Hello?
Circular.
Circular. So can I say in a magnetic field, a charged particle undergoes circular motion. In a magnetic field, charged particle undergoes circular motion. That means charged particle undergoes circular motion. That means if this is y-axis, this is x-axis, velocity is perpendicular, this is v bar, field is acting perpendicular but inward throughout, so force ka direction will be V is along j cap and this is along inward means minus k cap. Do you know what will be j cross k cap? J cross k cap will be what?
Yes.
I, na? J cross k will be I, no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
minus I cap. Minus I cap means which direction? Left or right?
Left.
Left. So force
Left.
will be acting in the left direction. Field is acting in inward direction. This is direction of this. So B bar is inward. Force is radially inward. Velocity is perpendicular. Please write this much and draw this diagram.
Done, sir.
Okay. Either X or Y लिख दूंगा. Y. Done, na? Hello? So I can say thus magnetic force on charged particle will act towards the center of circle of radius capital R and this force will provide centripetal force, I can say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To sustain uniform circular motion. Thus we can say QVB is mv square by r. 1v you can cancel. So henceforth any numerical you read, charge particle enters perpendicular to the field, I will start with QVB is mv square by r. Therefore QB is mv by r. So mv equals to qrb. What is mv called as?
Momentum.
Yes, that is linear momentum P equals to QRB. This is known as cyclotron formula. So they can ask to derive cyclotron formula. You have to complete this. Copy. Hello? Hello? हाँ. रॉन्ग है क्या? भेजा है आपने तो. हाँ तो अभी वो लेक्चर के बाद ही देखूंगा ना. आपको क्या सब घोड़े पे आते हैं क्या? ठीक है, देखता हूँ पेपर में चेक करो फिर. आप पेपर बनाओ फिर. हेलो. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक लाइन और, हाँ. This is known as cyclotron formula. एक लाइन है उसके आगे. It describes the circular motion of a charged particle in a particle accelerator. एक डिवाइस है जो पार्टिकल को एक्सेलरेट करेगा, called as cyclotron. In detail we'll study this in next class. Right. It describes circular motion of charged particle in particle accelerator called as cyclotron. So next class we will study what is cyclotron, then force acting on current carrying conductor, force between two parallel conductor. इससे ज्यादा नहीं होगा शायद. Then left out will be moving coil galvanometer, its application. मम्मी जरा स्लो करने बोलो, या तो दरवाजा बंद करो आप लोग. वो दरवाजा खींच दो. Done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Please revise this theory also, because I have written whatever we are doing 2 times. You have to practice, otherwise you'll forget everything, since you are concentrating on that MCQ. Now